Hello and welcome to another Sleepy Dog construction video. This video shows you why you should never drive around a road closed sign. This is a food truck that frequents the construction sites, also known as a taco truck or a roach coach. Let me know in the comments what you call this truck. The truck drove around the road closed barricades, tried to get to the worker's location. As you can see, it didn't work out very good. The truck weighs about 45,000 pounds, and as soon as it hit the wet area, it sank all the way down to the axle. I have no idea what this driver was thinking. You can clearly see that the ground is very muddy. The workers are more than happy to help him since they buy their lunch from him every day. The contractor is going to lift the front of the truck and let him back out. The front end loader is very careful not to cause damage to the truck. As you can see, this didn't work out at all. Now it's time for plan B. The workers position the front end loader at the rear of the truck. The workers connect the truck to the front end loader using a small chain. The workers decide that the chain was not strong enough to pull the truck out. Well, plan B didn't work. Now it's time for plan C. The workers hook the chain to the back of a 1-ton flatbed truck. They have decided to try to pull the truck from the front. After a few minutes, they decide plan C isn't working. Now it's time for plan D. The workers decide to use the front end loader again. This time they connect the front end loader to the front of the taco truck. As you can see, the driver of the taco truck needs to turn the front wheels in the direction of the front end loader. This would make it a lot easier to pull the truck out.
Oh yeah.
The front end loader had no problem pulling the taco truck out of the mud. If you've had a similar incident, please tell me about it in the comments. Please subscribe and like the video so you won't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.